What if I told you the air inside your home could actually be more toxic than the air outside? Sounds crazy, right? But studies have shown that indoor air can trap pollutants from furniture, cleaning products, and even the walls around you. And here's the worst part. You're breathing that air for hours every single day, especially while you sleep. Now, most people think the solution is to go out and buy an expensive air purifier. Hundreds of dollars, constant maintenance, filters to replace. It adds up fast. But what if nature already solved this problem for free? What if a few simple indoor plants could quietly clean your air, boost oxygen, and make your space feel fresher, without noise, without electricity, and without effort? In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful indoor plants that don't just look beautiful, they actively help improve your air quality. And the best part? I'll show you exactly where to place them in your home to get the maximum benefit. Some of these plants even work while you sleep. Others remove hidden toxins you didn't even know existed. By the end of this video, you might start looking at your home very differently, and maybe even rethink that air purifier sitting in your cart. Indoor plants are more than just decoration. They're living, breathing air filters. Some can absorb harmful chemicals, others release oxygen, and a few even improve humidity levels in your space. But here's the key. It's not just about what plants you choose, it's also about where you put them. So let's break down the top 5 air cleaning plants and how to use them the right way. Octa snake plant. If you could only choose one plant from this list, this might be it. The snake plant is one of the toughest, most low-maintenance plants you can own. It survives neglect, low light, and irregular watering, which makes it perfect for beginners. But what really makes it special is what happens at night. Unlike most plants that release oxygen during the day, this one continues producing oxygen while you sleep. That means it's actively improving your air quality overnight, when your body needs it most. It also helps filter out common indoor toxins, making your space feel fresher without you even noticing. Now let's talk placement, because this is where most people get it wrong. The best place for a snake plant is in your bedroom, ideally close to where you sleep. A nightstand, corner, or near your bed works perfectly. This allows you to benefit from its oxygen-boosting effect throughout the night. And here's another bonus. It doesn't need much sunlight. Even in low-light rooms, it will still survive and do its job. Just be careful not to overwater it. That's the #1 mistake people make. If you want a plant that works while you rest, this is it. 2. Peace lily. If you want something that's both beautiful and functional, the peace lily is a perfect choice. With its elegant white blooms and deep green leaves, it instantly upgrades any room. But beyond its looks, it's known for helping improve indoor air quality and balancing humidity levels. One of its hidden strengths is its ability to thrive in low-light environments, places where most plants struggle. That makes it ideal for areas like bathrooms or darker corners of your home. And that's exactly where you should place it. Bathrooms often have excess moisture and limited airflow, which can lead to mold and stale air. A peace lily can help absorb some of that moisture while making the space feel fresher and more alive. It's like a natural refresh button for your room. But there's something important to remember. This plant will actually tell you when it needs water. Its leaves will droop slightly, which makes care super easy even for beginners. Just give it a drink and it bounces right back. Place it in a shaded corner, keep the soil lightly moist, and it will reward you with cleaner air and occasional blooms. Simple, elegant, and quietly powerful. 3. Spider plant. Spider plant is one of the easiest and most rewarding plants you can grow indoors. It's fast-growing, adaptable, and produces long, arching leaves that give your space a soft, natural look. But what makes it stand out is how efficient it is at improving indoor air. It works quietly in the background, helping reduce common indoor pollutants while adding a fresh, vibrant energy to your home. And here's where it gets interesting. This plant doesn't just grow, it multiplies. It produces small offshoots, often called babies, which you can replant to create even more plants for your space. So one plant can quickly turn into many. Now let's talk placement. Spider plants do best in bright, indirect light, which makes them perfect for living rooms, offices, or near windows with filtered sunlight. They also look amazing when elevated. Try placing them on a high shelf or in a hanging basket. This allows the leaves and baby plants to cascade down naturally, creating a beautiful visual effect while maximizing air exposure. They're also very forgiving. If you forget to water occasionally, they'll still bounce back. If you want something low effort but visually impressive, this is a must-have. 4. Aloe vera. Most people know aloe vera as a healing plant, but very few realize it also plays a role in improving indoor air. This plant is like having a natural first aid kit and air helper in one. Its thick, gel-filled leaves are famous for soothing burns and skin irritation. But at the same time, it works quietly to freshen the air around it. What makes aloe vera unique is that it thrives in sunlight. So unlike some of the other plants on this list, this one loves being near windows. That makes your kitchen windowsill the perfect spot. Why the kitchen? Because it's a place where air can get heavy from cooking, heat, and odors. Having aloe vera nearby helps keep the space feeling lighter and fresher. Plus, it's incredibly practical. Got a small burn while cooking? Just snap off a leaf and use the gel inside. When it comes to care, less is more. Aloe vera doesn't like overwatering. In fact, it prefers dry soil, so you only need to water it occasionally. Give it sunlight, don't overdo the water, and it will thrive. It's simple, useful, and quietly powerful. 5. Areca palm. If you want to transform your space instantly, the areca palm is your go-to plant. This one is all about presence. With its tall, feathery fronds, it brings a tropical, relaxed vibe into any room. But beyond aesthetics, it also plays a role in improving indoor air and humidity. Indoor air can often feel dry, especially if you use fans or air conditioning regularly. The areca palm helps counter that by naturally releasing moisture into the air, making your environment feel more comfortable. That's why it works best in larger spaces like your living room. Place it in a bright corner with indirect sunlight, where it has room to grow and spread. It doesn't just sit there, it fills the space, making it feel alive and refreshed. It's also a great plant for creating that indoor jungle look without needing dozens of small plants. In terms of care, it prefers consistent watering and doesn't like to dry out completely. Keep the soil slightly moist and it will stay lush and vibrant. If you want something that makes a statement while improving your environment, this is the one. So before you spend money on expensive air purifiers, maybe it's time to let nature do what it does best. These plants don't just sit there, they work for you, quietly improving your space every single day. Start with one. Place it in the right spot, and you'll start to feel the difference. Then build your own indoor jungle from there. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these plants are you adding to your home first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple plant tips that actually make a difference. Your cleaner, greener home starts here.